Welcome back, guys. This is exactly what we were waiting for. You are starting to see the market pull back. Not a reason to be afraid. We are preparing for this. We are waiting for our moment to start buying in. We spoke about QQQ. It's down 0.89%. The SPY's down 0.6%. But we are getting pullback opportunities that longs are going to be looking to enter. Just keep in mind, just reiterating these levels, we're most likely going to see a pushback on the SPY at least to this 698 at a minimum. Looking at this level as a potential support area. It's still early. If you're dollar cost averaging in long term, it doesn't really matter. You just try to buy on red days. But look at the big pullback option here on QQQ. QQQ trying to hold that $700 level. But I think at the end of the day, 700, 698, I would love to see 690 for Qs. Looking at SPY, we had this head and shoulders pattern that we were talking about, that we were drawing out here on the WAP. Right here, looking for this to continue selling off on the SPY to about $724 per share, something I'm watching. We also have HD earnings, Home Depot. This is on Tuesday, I believe. It is selling off. I'm going to continue to watch these bad boys. But if you look at Home Depot, it used to have this trend chart that is now broken. Hopefully we go lower. I want to buy Home Depot shares long term. I would love to see this pull back to 270. We'll see what happens there. More importantly, NVIDIA on Wednesday, it had those all-time highs around $236 per share. But if you look in the after hours right now, we are pulling back. It's at 221. This is excellent. This is what we want to see. When you look at the 1 month chart, it is pulling back to this support level around $218 per share. Let's pay attention. We're going to have to see how the markets react to this. You've had these points of resistance right here and here. Now you're getting that first pullback to this support level at 218. Give it a little wiggle room to like 215 if we get a steeper pullback. That's what we want to see if we're going to be making long entries or trying to short these pops. This looks beautiful. Love seeing these sell-offs.